Yo, this is, oh my god, bro. Look at that carbon fiber, dog. The inside looks small as in person. Yo, this sounds good. GT?
This one has, I think, 30 more horsepower than the GT.
And how much horsepower is this pushing?
510?
510 to the crank, right?
At the crank, yeah.
Holy
But
this is a spaceship.
No,
like, look at this.
Bro, this, you got no clue, bro. This thing, like, I thought, like, oh, it's 500 horsepower. It's not that much, bro.
You said what? You said not that much?
This thing with a tune jumps up to 650 wheel. And we're gonna tune it. We're gonna do down pipes.
Jesus Christ.
We're not gonna straight pipe it.
Bro, oh my god, bro. This picks up too, dog.
No, you don't know. You don't understand.
This interior is sick.
Before seeing this car for sale, I had never seen this car with white interior.
Jesus Christ! Yo, this thing is, yo, it lost the back end so quick. What the f?
I have traction control off because I have it in race mode.
Yo, I didn't, like, you didn't even feel like the back end kick out.
Yeah, I just went.
It just. Damn! Okay! Holy shit! Yo, this thing is quick! Oh my god!
With 13K miles, not bad.
Oh my god, Jesus Christ! Oh my god, yo, it just puts you back in your seat. Holy shit! It's smooth as shit too. Like, you don't, like, it just goes. The faster you go, the harder it pulls. We're about to do a little dig real quick. I gotta get the f***ing facial expression for this one. Oh, shit. Yo, this thing takes off. Holy shit. Oh. Bro, oh my god. Yo, this thing feels so good, bro.
Nah, try it.
Nah. I'll try.
Nah, guy, just try it, guy. Don't push it hard, but try it.
I wanna drive this. I gotta grab the GoPro for this one. Yo, this guy is crazy, dog. He's really letting me drive something that is, I don't mean to like alarm you, bro, but this is the fastest car I have ever driven, all right?
The cool shit about this is that it has a bunch of shit. I don't know how much you know about this, but like it has like all the different modes, and then the different modes set up your suspension. It sets up the tuning, like, kind of the tuning on the car, like where it shifts and shit. This is for traction control off. This is the suspension, makes it stiffer or not.
Okay.
Manual, automatic off, which I never use. I hate that shit. And this is to turn off the exhaust.
Nah, turn this off.
Do you want it with traction control on or off?
Holy f. Holy f. Oh my god. Holy f. Yo, there's no, yo, that hit 100 so fast. That's holy f. It's a little like, holy f. Bro, this is overpowered.
I'm telling you, bro. And it's not tuned yet, it's stock. This thing is literally bone stock.
Nah, bro, this is a hack. Have you raced anything with this?
Bro, nobody tries me, bro. It's so annoying. But like, the one time I got tried was by a V6 Camaro. Like, I don't know what the f why. Like, it was stupid. Like, it was a kid. I guess he didn't know, bro.
Yo, this is enough horsepower, bro. Yo, I appreciate you for letting me drive this, bro.
Oh, shit.
Yo, this thing, bro.
You're good, bro. This thing is fun, man. I gotta share it, dog. I gotta share it.
Dude, it hits red line so fast. Like, I'm not used to that.
Yeah, it picks up quick. Like, it's very responsive. It's a small ass V8, bro. This V8's almost the size of your V6.
Dude, but the twin turbos in this just,
Yeah, bro. Very responsive.
they just kick in, bro, and it's, bro. You're a bad influence on me, dog. You made me
Nah, what do you mean, guy? I'm motivating you to do f***ing better, dog.
You made me want to get that puts my life in danger, bro. Oh no, yeah, 100%. Oh, I didn't even know that was carbon fiber, bro. Holy
Yes, in the front and the back.
and the trim's here too.
And the mirrors.
Yo, that thing sounds so good back here, bro.
33 and 32. This shit go crazy. Might shave my head like Britney. Might go insane, but I broke my brain if I got this fame too quickly.
Niggas wearing no watch. Silly niggas worry about my bag. Tell them don't watch.